Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, I highly encourage you to take a look at our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC and leave a like and subscribe. But today we're out here in Gardner, Kansas, doing a little showcase on a project we're getting finished up here. This project is mainly focused on this wall right here, this back foundation wall. It was leaning inward, so we have straightened that wall as of yesterday, gotten our 4 steel H-beam wall braces installed, one on the other side of the little divider right here. And then we're in the process right now on the outside, doing a support lift, just barely raising that footing on the outside to keep it supported with 3 King Pier 2s. But in here, I really like showing off these projects to show how we really reinforce these wall braces. Number one, and this is a big one right here, the bottom ends of these wall braces are set right on top of that footing, which is roughly 4 inches below this concrete floor. The floor is sitting on a portion of the footing, as is the foundation wall. So first, we saw cut a neat little square right here, jackhammer it out, and the reason we always saw cut concrete before removing it is we don't want to cause any kind of hairline fractures. We do everything engineering sound. We're here to repair the foundation. We're not here to cause any kind of further damage to it. So, so often we see other companies just jackhammer the concrete, and that is not the King Piers way to do that. So we'll saw cut everything first, neatly jackhammer it out, and then excavate what we need to. On the upper ends of the wall braces, we don't just do a simple, plate or board to keep the upper ends of the braces secured into the floor joists. We overkill here. Bolt everything from the side, use new wood, new 6x6s right there. Again, what we see probably about half the time is a lot of companies will bolt from the narrow bottom of the floor joist, and when you do that, when you use a bolt that size, more often than not, that is going to split the floor joist. And again, that is not what we do. We bolt from the sides. We strengthen that floor joist in securing the upper ends of that wall brace. So this wall, now that it's straight, now that it's braced, it will not lean again. And then obviously we have a combination of epoxy, fast setting epoxy, and NP100 polyurethane to seal the foundation cracks. Really not much on this wall, but just the same, we make sure everything is sealed. We're also going to come back later today or tomorrow when we're finishing up to seal where the wall and the floor meet. So that will all get finished up. But again, just a very nice work, up here with the wall braces. This is the biggest part of these kind of projects, doing the excavation on the outside to really relieve that pressure off the wall. Once that's done, it's pretty quick to get the actual structural work done. So again, for all your foundation and piering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can reach us directly at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And again, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Thank you.